Hi, I'm John Grisdeel, CEO of 9Water in Golden, Colorado. 9Water is helping solve regional water crises all over the world. We build and deploy machines that treat unconventional and wastewaters from surface and groundwater, industry, mining, landfills, and even hydrocarbon recovery. This provides more water exactly where it's needed and helps industry dramatically lower the cost of dealing with their wastewater. 9Water machines are the results of years of intense research at Los Alamos National Lab, the University of Texas, New Mexico Tech, and hey, even friggin' NASA.
I mean, you're NASA for crying out loud. You put a man on the moon.
Our competitive advantage is a system of cold reactors that use a series of unique filtration media that can be recharged in the field and used hundreds of times before replacing that media. This saves our users 50% or more on the cost of dealing with their wastewater. Now, today we've got an extremely exciting announcement that our shareholders and global user base have been requesting for years. We're creating a new water treatment as a service division of 9Water. 9Water Reclamation will use portable 9Water machines and travel to customers' locations, treat their wastewater, and then make the treated water available for use back in the plant or for other uses like agriculture or to help renew local water supplies. We charge customers for treatment based on what's in their wastewater, how much they have each time we visit them, but our goal is to charge much less than $1 a barrel. Each machine treats from 2,500 to 5,000 barrels a day. You can see at those rates the revenue adds up fast and scales with each portable machine we deploy. We project each machine will generate from $400,000 to around $750,000 a year. A water gang of operators can operate multiple machines, thus controlling labor cost. And we thought long and hard about where to begin our water reclamation business and have decided on Kern County in and around Bakersfield, California.
Come out to the coast. We'll get together, have a few laughs.
Why Kern County and the Southern California Central Valley? Well, 3 reasons. First, Kern County has valuable agriculture that needs water. The county has about 1 million acres of farmland and is one of the principal agricultural areas in the United States. Kern County produces nearly $8 billion of crops each year, including grapes, citrus, almonds, pistachios, along with 250 other kinds of food crops. All these are grown here due to the Mediterranean climate and soil, but all require a bunch of water to grow. The second reason is this part of California is suffering through a drought not seen for 1,200 years. Without help, all of us will see our grocery spending go sky high and also risk our food independence and food exports. Third, Kern County has massive oil and gas operations that generate billions of gallons of produced water each year. This one county has over 47,000 active oil and gas wells, many of which have been around for years. And as you know, the older wells create a massive amount of formation or produced water. Produced water is contaminated with hydrocarbons, metals, heavy metals, and salts. This is where we come in. 9Water machines are specifically designed to treat these classes of contaminants to the point where the treated water can be discharged to the environment or used to irrigate crops. Kern County and Bakersfield are pretty unique in that the oil and gas industry is physically and socially integrated within the agricultural sector. It's really common to see green crops and a bunch of oil wells right next to each other. This part of California also has a wonderful community that supports both our strong and independent agricultural tradition, along with an energy industry that helps power our modern society. The oil and gas industry is already providing produced water to farmers in and around Kern County. For decades, produced water from oil and gas well has been treated and diluted for use in growing crops. What 9Water Reclamation is doing is treating produced water in near real time for 50% or less than the cost of other methods. And that's water that won't have to be diluted. I don't think it's at all dramatic to say your investment in 9Water to help us start 9Water Reclamation will help minimize the impacts of climate change and help save the agriculture industry in the southern Central Valley of California and elsewhere.
We're doing something a bit different in our equity crowdfunding, and it's really very exciting. Read the offering docs on our webpage here on Wefunder very carefully to see how all of that's going to work. I hope you'll join us in our mission for America to show the world how to reuse, recycle, and renew our precious water resources.